This Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop is a compact, powerful, and versatile cooking appliance designed to meet the needs of modern kitchens. With its 10.25-inch shatter-proof ceramic glass surface and a 6.5-inch heating coil, it promises efficient, precise, and safe cooking. Here's a detailed review of its features and performance. The Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop boasts a sleek and modern design. Its shatter-proof ceramic glass surface not only looks elegant, but is also incredibly durable. The glass has been rigorously tested to withstand high temperatures without cracking or shattering, making it one of the safest cooktops. The compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, and camping trips. One of the standout features of the Nuwave Flex is its precise temperature control. With 45 pre-programmed temperature settings ranging from 100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can cook a wide variety of dishes with accuracy. Whether you need to simmer a delicate sauce or sear a steak, the Flex allows you to adjust the temperature in 10-degree F increments, ensuring perfect results every time. The intuitive digital controls are user-friendly and respond immediately, making adjustments on the fly a breeze. The Nuwave Flex heats the pot directly, transferring 85 to 90% of its electromagnetic energy to heat energy. This efficiency is a significant improvement over traditional stovetops, which convert only about 30% of their energy into heat. This means faster cooking times and energy savings. The even heating ensures there are no hot or cold spots, providing consistent cooking results. The cooktop also includes a 4-quart induction-ready pan with a healthy ceramic non-stick coating. The Duralin Blue coating is free of harmful chemicals like PTFE, FOA, and FOS and does not emit toxic gases at high temperatures. This pan is strong yet lightweight, making it perfect for everyday use. Safety is a top priority with the Nuwave Flex. The cooktop automatically shuts off when the set cook time is completed or when the cookware is removed from the surface, reducing the risk of burns and fire. The absence of open flames and hot coils further enhances its safety profile, making it ideal for households with children or pets. The Nuwave Flex is incredibly versatile, capable of searing, boiling, simmering, frying, deep frying, sautéing, slow cooking, melting, reheating, and keeping food warm. Its programmable functions make it easy to prepare a wide range of dishes with just a touch of a button. The flexibility to cook at different wattage settings 600, 900, and 1300 watts ensures that it can perform well even in places with limited power supply, such as RVs and campsites. The Nuwave Flex was developed with input from professional chefs, ensuring that every feature and function meets the highest standards of performance and durability. The proximity of the induction heating coils to the cookware ensures faster and more even heating compared to other induction cooktops, optimizing the cooking experience. The digital controls are easy to operate, and the immediate response makes cooking with the Flex a seamless experience. The shatter-proof ceramic glass surface is not only durable but also easy to clean. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is usually all it takes to keep the cooktop looking new. The included induction-ready pan is also easy to clean, thanks to its non-stick coating. Weighing only a few pounds, the Nuwave Flex is highly portable. Its compact design means it doesn't take up much space, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, and RVs. The ability to cook with a limited power supply enhances its portability, allowing you to enjoy home-cooked meals anywhere you go. The Duralin Blue coating on the included pan is free of PTFE, FOA, and FOS, making it a healthier option for cooking. It also doesn't emit toxic gases at high temperatures, ensuring a safe cooking environment. The energy efficiency of the induction cooktop not only saves you money on electricity bills, but also reduces your carbon footprint, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Conclusion: the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its precise temperature control, efficient heating, safety features, and portability make it a versatile and reliable cooking appliance. The included induction-ready pan with a healthy non-stick coating adds to its value, providing you with everything you need to prepare delicious and healthy meals. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the Nuwave Flex is sure to enhance your cooking experience. If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and safe induction cooktop that delivers excellent performance, the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop is a great choice. Its combination of advanced features, ease of use, and chef-inspired design make it a standout product in its category. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.